Hello, welcome. Another episode on objective test question for WASSCE 2024 Nigerian edition. So in the diagram, the MN is parallel to KL. The ML intersects the KL at the point X. Then the MN is given as 12 centimeters. Then MX is 10 centimeters and KL is 9 centimeters. If the area of triangle MXN is 16 centimeters squared, we have to find the area of triangle LXK. So if you look at these carefully, these are similar triangles which one has been enlarged or has been diminished to form the other one. So we need to know the scale factor that is transforming one triangle to the other one. So the first thing first, I'll find the scale factor. I can use F. Okay, let's scale factor equals to I'll pick one of the triangle as the smallest one, which is the image. Any of them, you can begin with any of them. Your answer will be the same since it's the ratio. So I'll be having the image, the length of the image over the length of the original. So if this is the original, it means this has become diminished. If this is the original, this becomes the enlarged figure. So I'll be having the 9 divided by 12, and that will be common factor of 3. So 3 out of 4. So this is the scale factor that transforms this triangle to become this. The scale factor that transforms the image. This is the image. This is the original. So this has been transformed to form this by dividing it. Alright. Now here we are concerned about the area. Then we also know that scale factor, that's why I want to use the F there. So the scale factor, which is F squared, equals to the area of the image triangle or image triangle over the area of the original. Let's just say the object. You can use any of the words that you want to. The image triangle, the original triangle, or the object. Now, so the scale factor square will produce this. The area of the image is the one we have here, which we are asked to find. Then the area of the object is the one which we have been given as what? 16. So we can substitute. The scale factor will become 3 on 4 all square equals to the area of LXK divided by the area of this, which is what? 16. So fast forward, the square affects both the numerator and the denominator. So 3 square, that will be 9. 4 square, 16 equals to the triangle LXK over 16. We can decide to cross multiply, but I am seeing this as a fraction that have a denominator of 16. So I'll multiply both sides by 16. When you multiply here by 16, it will cancel. Here by 16 to cancel. So I will say that therefore, the area of LXK is nothing but what? 9 centimeter squared. So the area will be 9 centimeter. Since this is equal to this, and 16 is also the same. Equivalent fractions. I guess the concept is clear. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.